I don't know if you can relate to this, but there is actually this day where you are short on physical cash and you only have cash in your mobile money wallet. Another unfortunate thing is that it's late in the night, so all mobile money agents are closed, so you can't even withdraw the money from your mobile money wallet. But you know what? You stay with me. I've got good news for you after this. You can get anything instantly with an app, even ordering food. But what about purchasing bus tickets? Download the app that can help you do that fast. Check prices, avoid long queues, book your seat anytime, anywhere. Easy peasy, huh? Download my Ticket GH app now. Welcome back everyone, the name is still King Kobe, and today I'm going to take you through how you are going to withdraw mobile money from the ATM. Yes, you heard me right. Withdraw mobile money from the ATM. Now all you need is a code, or let me say a voucher, from your mobile money menu. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. I'm going to use Vodafone for the demonstration, but this method actually works for all networks, be it MTN, Airtel Tigo Money, Vodafone Cash, and what have you. Now, the voucher varies from network to network, but for Vodafone, it says they get code, right? So we need a voucher. So to do this, I have to go to my Vodafone Cash menu and then generate the voucher. So I dial *110#, that is the USSD or the code for Vodafone Cash menu, and then select withdraw cash. In the next option, I have to either withdraw from agent or from ATM. As I said, we are going to withdraw from ATM, so I choose withdraw from ATM. I enter my PIN, then send. What I have to do is just wait for a confirmation message that will come with the voucher. As I said earlier, a 6-digit code, and then I'll head on to the ATM. So yes, there is it. My voucher has landed, so I'll head straight to the ATM. Stay with me as I go to the ATM.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shame.
Alright guys, so I'm at the ATM right now, and you can see from here it supports MTN Mobile Money, Vodafone Cash, Airtel Tigo Money, right? So here, you can see it supports cardless services. So I choose cardless services. And then it tells me to select the cardless service that I registered for. So I choose mobile cash. And then there is a disclaimer. It says, so yes, I would want to continue because I want to withdraw money. So I press continue. And then I use Vodafone, so I choose Vodafone. Right, so it asks for my phone number. This time I'll use the touch screen. So it asks for a PIN. The PIN is the voucher code that I received, so I will dial the PIN. And then while I'm done, I press enter. So the amount, so according to this ATM, it's only 50 cedis notes that are available, so I'll just type 50 cedis since I can money, and then I press continue. Now they need some basic information, so I'll enter that information. So I'll just enter my email, then I confirm. For my phone number again, so I type my phone number, then I press confirm. So I have confirmed my information. So it says receipts are unavailable at this time. That's fine. I'll just click continue. I'll have to wait for some time. And then, whilst the machine is processing, I receive a notification. And there is my cash. Easy peasy. So I just withdrew money from the ATM using mobile money. So yeah, no agents, no problem. Alright, So guys, my name is King Kobe and I'm out.